Oh, I love good eats. And here at Snaggy Mountain, you can have a retreat and an adventure and cook up some good, and I mean real good food on this outdoor fire pit that's right on the deck, right in front of a beautiful overlook that shows off all of Boone. We're actually just 1 minute from Boone, and look over the beautiful valley. Great view. It's a wonderful place to eat some quality food and have some good times. I love cooking on the fire, and I love some good food. So we're going to see if we can put this right there between those. We're gonna braise them on the outside first, and then after we braise them to sort of hold the juices in, we're gonna flip them and slower cook. Everybody has some good greens in their life. This right here is a few Brussels sprouts, a few pistachios, and a little bit of the best ingredient, a little bit of love going into it. So this fire is getting just a little bit too hot. So what I'll do is I'll just, if I can, I'll take some of this out of there. This is one of those things I don't really recommend doing, but it works. So I'm going to take a little bit of the fuel away. That's one of the big controllers of the fire. And actually I might put it over here on the other side and cook a little bit over there. I can put the greens over on that side cooker and kind of have this meat cooking here in the front. The fires are adjustable, just like a lot of people are familiar with adjusting the knobs on a stove, you know, like 1 to 10 or what have you. Well, these fires are adjustable too, just according to how much fuel and how you place it. Basically, I'm making a whole nother fire over here on the side, and I'm going to put the greens on it. And so those are going to be a little higher heat. This right here now is on the low heat. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over and braise the other side. Doesn't that look yummy? Same thing here. Roll on over. Roll on over. Yeah, we're going to get it braised on both sides, and then let it just kind of slow cook on the coals. And I guess this would be called like the opposite of rocket science. This is ancient. This goes back to the earliest human beings around the fire, cooking their food, sort of altering and controlling their world. And that's part of the adventure that we invite you on here at Snaggy Mountain. This is just a retreat center that just is full of beauty inside and out. We're surrounded by the forest, surrounded by the big mountain view, and you can come here and hang out on the deck. The deck is big enough to get about 50 people on. This fire pit probably only big enough to cook for about 40. We have a massive kitchen inside, super well stocked. Like people come here and they go, you gotta be kidding, I've never seen such a well stocked kitchen. It's like, well, that's just how we roll. We don't want to invite you out to depravity. We want you to have something special. And that's really kind of what this whole thing is with my signature rentals, is something really special. But you have to kind of go on an adventure just to get here. You know, you have to find us on Airbnb, sign up, come out, and make this adventure yours. Take it. They say take the bull by the horn. You just have to do it yourself. You come on out and try it. Don't leave all this fun up to me.